everyone, so and welcome back to my channel, Tech. Today's we'll try to talk about the Wi-Fi slow speed issue which is going on in my unit, which is iQOO 7 device, as you can see friends. So right now I'm using the iQOO 7 device, and for the past few days and few weeks I did upload plenty of videos regarding the Wi-Fi speed slow issue which is going on in my phone. So recently even I did upload a video comparing with other smartphones as well regarding the download speeds, and few of the users did ask me to check the Wi-Fi info whether it's showing 72 Mbps or 150 Mbps speeds. So that is what I'm going to show you right now friends, and meanwhile I do have the other smartphones behind me, so which I'll try to compare what speeds their phones are showing in their Wi-Fi settings. So that is what I thought of making clear understanding what is happening with my unit. And make sure to comment below friends, definitely, in case if you're facing this kind of issue or if you're okay with the Wi-Fi speed or not. So make sure to definitely comment below. This will help me and even a lot of other users who are having this kind of similar kind of problems. So first thing, I did connect all the smartphones to the same Wi-Fi network right now, so I'll be able to show you friends right now. Let me need to go to the Wi-Fi settings, and this is my Wi-Fi router. So there is no 2.5 GHz and there is no 5 GHz, two separate networks, nothing. There is only single network right now, as you can see, which is the TP-Link 8576. Let me need to show you the settings right now, what it's displaying. As you can see friends, the link speed which I'm getting about 72 Mbps. So I'm not getting any 150 Mbps at this point, as you can see clearly. So let me try to show you the other mobile phones what I'm getting. So it is a OnePlus 9R. So it's a OnePlus 9R, as you can clearly see friends. Let me try to show you the settings. So go to the settings and show you the speeds, advanced settings. So as you can see friends, the receive link speed is about 150 Mbps. You can see the clear difference what it's happening between both phones. So 72 Mbps. So right now I'll be clicking on the forget network in this iQOO 7 device. As you can see friends, this is iQOO 7 device. So let me try to click on this forget, and I'll try to add this network from this phone by sharing the network. Let me try to share the password. As you can see friends, right now I'll be scanning this QR code at this point. Let me try to scan the QR code. As you can see, I'm trying to connect the same OnePlus 9R from using this phone. So let me try to go to the settings and show you. As you can see friends, 72 Mbps. So whereas the OnePlus is showing about 150 Mbps, you can clearly see the link speed. Maybe this is the problem why the iQOO 7 phone is experiencing, my unit experiencing really slow speeds when compared with other smartphones. So same thing I did friends. Here is a Realme X1 Pro. Let me try to show you the Realme X1 Pro what has happened. So here is a quick settings, and let me try to show you. As you can see friends, connection speed 150 Mbps in this Realme X1 Pro, which is showing in this phone 150 Mbps I'm getting really good speeds, 80 Mbps of speeds in this phone, no issues. Here is a POCO X3 device. So as you can see friends, as comparison, I did take the mid-range mobile phone POCO X3. So I can understand for the mid-range segment mobile phone, no issues, but as you can see friends, 72 Mbps. So same thing it's gonna happen in this iQOO 7 as well. Same thing I'm getting, same like 72 Mbps only instead of 150 Mbps in my unit. So I did reset my Wi-Fi network multiple times. I did even in front of the camera as well. I did click on forget and I added the network from the OnePlus 9R, but still I was unable to get this kind of increase the speed in this phone particularly. So even I did turn off Wi-Fi in every devices what I'm having in my studio, and it did check everything, but still I was unable to get this kind of 150 Mbps speeds in this iQOO 7 device at this point. So I'm not sure whether it's a problem with the software issue or maybe problem with my router, or I'm not sure with the phone, but this is an issue which is going on right now. And make sure to comment below in case if you are facing this kind of similar kind of problem. So kindly check the Wi-Fi network info and just confirm me in the settings in the comments below friends. So that will be really helpful for me. So it is the MI11X device. As you can see friends, it is the MI11X device. So let me try to show you the settings what the MI11X has got. The speeds, as you can see friends, 150 Mbps, same network. So these are the three phones, OnePlus 9R, Realme X1 Pro, and even the MI11X. Those are showing 150 Mbps of speeds, and they are getting really high speeds with the Wi-Fi. And this phone, the iQOO 7, is showing really less speeds, which is 72 Mbps. If you go to the settings, as you can see. And that is the reason why I'm not able to get the high speed Wi-Fi connection in my test, as you can see friends. So I'm not sure this issue can be fixed with a software update, or maybe I need to completely reset my router. I'm not sure, but this is the issue which is going on. I did click multiple times, reset the network and everything. As I said, still no improvement friends. So I just thought of sharing this kind of information with you all. So I may get help from you all as well. So thank you for watching this video friends, and make sure to comment below definitely, and check the Wi-Fi profile, what speed you are getting, and that all the comments will be really helpful. And recently even I did a video on this slow charging issue, and plenty of users they did comment me under this video, which is very thank you friends. Thank you for all commenting under this video, which will be really helpful for plenty of new users who are thinking of buying this smartphone. So thank you all. Same way, I need your comments under this video. Just check your Wi-Fi profile, just check what Mbps you are getting under this transmit link speed. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Hopefully this issue might get fixed really soon, because the 4G plus issue is fixed and there is only Wi-Fi big issue which is going on for me. So green tint issue I'm not that bothered because I won't be using in the dark mode, but that's also another topic for next video. But let's see, one by one we'll try to fix this iQOO problems. So finally friends, before ending the video, I thought of just doing the speed test and showing you what will be the results of having the 72 Mbps not instead of 150 Mbps. So right now let me try to select the same kind of server which is present in all the smartphones. The same server I'll be trying to select, and right now first test I'm trying to do in the iQOO 7 device using the same Wi-Fi network, as you can clearly see here friends, 8576. And because of this low 72 Mbps link speed, so that is the reason why I was able to get only the 43 Mbps speeds in this phone. So even though I connect to the same Wi-Fi network, still it's happened, as you can see friends. And let me try to do the same kind of testing in the other phones. So it is a MI Linux device, so which has connected to the same Wi-Fi network 8576 and which has 150 Mbps of link speeds capabilities. As you can see, this phone can reach up to 93 Mbps, as you can see friends clearly the link speed. So the link speed matters a lot. That is what it means, as you can see friends, 150 Mbps. And let me try to show you here in the iQOO 7 device. As you can see friends, 72 Mbps and 150 Mbps. You can see clearly the speeds, how much it's different. It's like off the speed I'm getting in the iQOO 7 device. So same thing applies even for the OnePlus 9R as well. So it is a OnePlus 9R. So let me try to select, as you can see friends. So you can, this OnePlus 9R also goes up to 90 Mbps if I try to select the same kind of server in the speed test application. So same server I'm trying to select, and here is a POCO X3. Here is a POCO X3 which has a 72 Mbps of link speed in this phone. So I'll try to do the same kind of testing in this phone as well. So even recent with the MIUI 12.5 update in this MI Linux device, the net connectivity speed got a little bit better in this MI Linux device. So that is what I did feel after getting this kind of score, amazing score. And right now let's do in this POCO X3 friends, which has the 72 Mbps of link speed, as you can see. So iQOO 7, it's slightly less than the iQOO 7. As you can see, let me try to show you the Wi-Fi network. I did connect to the same Wi-Fi network, and this POCO X3 has got the same kind of 72 Mbps link speed, when same like the iQOO 7 as well, as you can see friends. So these are the basic speed test results which I thought of just showing you before ending the video. So this is the result why the iQOO 7 speeds is slightly low in my device. So that is the reason why I'm asking all you to comment below what your Wi-Fi info speeds you are getting, 72 or 150 Mbps. So do let me in the comments below friends. I just want to see how many users are facing this kind of problem, or only me I am facing the problem. So that is what I want to know. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.